Greetings, survivalists. Now, yeah, when talking about survival, yeah, a lot of things come to mind, on supplies to bring. Of course, the most obvious problem is, how are you going to bring it with you? Now, of course, you could have a backpack, but backpacks are big and take up space, and then smaller things in the backpack, need their own containers. Yeah, and even if it gets wet, a lot of things would be completely ruined. Yeah, or even just become part of the water. Ultimately, you can't really depend on this kind of stuff. So, today I'm going to show you how to make a waterproof container, which can be made out of just things lying around the house. Yeah, of course, it depends on what you have in your house, but ultimately, it's quite simple. It's waterproof, if made correctly, and you can hold just about anything in them as long as it's small enough to fit in it. Now, let's look down here. Actually, I'll just show you the container first. Here we have a waterproof container that I have pre-filled with salt. Not sure if you can hear that, but there's salt in it. Yeah, there's salt in it. Salt is very useful in a survival situation, as you can do a lot of stuff with it. Yeah, but primarily it's used for food-related purposes. Whether it's seasoning food, preserving it, or using it as bait to get more food. Salt's very useful, and it needs its own container. And since I didn't have anything else I could think of to use for this is our example for today. Now, let's look down here. What we're going to need for this is a straw cut to length. I actually used one straw cut in half to make these two. They're about 2 to 3 inches each. Able to hold a lot of salt. Now, so you need a straw cut to length, a lighter. You could use matches, but I was gonna say that it's easier to use the lighter, but thing is, lighters are actually easier for this task than matches because, well, you'll see why when we're making it. And pliers. Now, personally, I say needle nose works best for this. Why personally? Factually, needle nose pliers work best for these, but I couldn't find the needle nose pliers, so instead, forget that. Okay, and whatever it is that you're going to put in your container. Now, I'm actually not going to put much. I'm not actually going to put anything in this one. I just have this to show what you could put in it. Now, first step, is getting your straw ready. Now, first, what you're going to do is, use your pliers and pinch off one side. Now, make sure it closes. Then, what you do is, you take your lighter and you key off the sides, have the plastic melt the piece together. Now, for me, it actually takes a couple of tries. It might just be the straws, but either way, it takes a minute to actually get it done. Once a side done. Lighter heats up quite a bit. Okay, now, after that, you fill your container with whatever you want to put in it. As I mentioned, salt would be the preferred thing to put in it. Yeah, well, for me, you can put a lot of things in here. Cotton from cotton balls, Neosporin, or any antibiotic ointment, super glue, if you don't like the container that it already comes in. You can put just about anything in these. And then to make it finish it, you just repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay. And then, after that, you are finished and you have your container. Now, you can put just about anything in here that'll fit. However, I would recommend labeling what is in each of these, as you have no idea what's in them when they're sealed. So if there's salt in it, put an S on it, or just write salt on it, or something along those lines. Now, with that in mind, this is the end of the video. So, Random Man, signing off.